Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you clear Messenger cache on iPhone. So as you can see here on Messenger app, we don't have any options to clear cache. So what we're going to do is go back to your home screen and go to your settings. Now here on settings, you want to scroll down a bit and you need to tap on this general. Once you tap on General, scroll down a bit and find the iPhone storage. Here on iPhone storage, you will find all the apps that installed on your iPhone. So basically go to Messenger app, and then here all you need to do is just offload the app. So this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. So you just have to tap on the offload app button. And once you tap on Offload app, then it will delete or remove all the cache on your Messenger on your iPhone. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.